Hi, this is Mark. This is Thursday, the 31st of July, coming up to 10 a.m. UK time. I am on holiday at the moment, so I'm not trading much in terms of FX because I haven't time to sit and watch things. But I have certainly got a couple of very interesting flag patterns on crypto that suggest a really big move incoming again. And I'm just going to share with you some of the trades I have taken. And before that, we look at the Nasdaq all-time highs again, and the S&P. Crazy, but off we go. Now the CAD last week, so I missed the entry on the CAD by I think 2 pips, and then the damn thing has since gone 280, which is very, very frustrating. If I wasn't in it, or if I was in it, I would definitely be looking to take profit up here 138.70. And for next week after NFP, this will either be an area to consider a short, or if it breaks and closes above, a long. I had a win on gold, but it was very small. I got into gold at 3,310, went up 20 odd pips, looked as though it was ready to go. I took half off because I was going out and moved the stop to entry plus and got taken out on that one. I'm still bullish on gold, so for me this is temporary. A lot of it will depend on NFP tomorrow. EURUSD, now I know Ashley caught this a little higher than me the other day, and some of you in the forum. I caught it here at the 61.8 fib, and the weekly 200, monthly 200 EMA that I have, also a trend line in an uptrend and a very good risk reward ratio. And so the risk here is about 50 pips, and the potential, I had the target up here at 300. Now I'm in it, but I'm a bit concerned because we've seen dollar strength this week. It's already done 60 pips today. I don't feel good about it, and again I'm going out. The stop was great, thankfully. It came down, almost caught me, but I'm going to get out. If you don't feel something feels right, it's just easier just to get out. So let's do that while I'm here. Now, the interesting thing, I showed you previously, we had lots of flag patterns on Bitcoin, and they worked. 4 out of 5 worked perfectly well. We have another. And depending where you want to take the pole from, but let's be conservative, and you measure the pole here to the flag here, and the middle figure is 14,000, which suggests that the next move on Bitcoin is going to be up to 132,000. And last week there was a massive sale from one of the original wallets, and yet Bitcoin didn't blink. It's clearly ranging in here at the moment, and this breakout, if it does come, could be weeks yet because we're now into the summer. But that technically worked many times in the past, and I showed you with Ethereum. This was the big flag pattern on Ethereum in here. So this is the bit that flutters in the wind, and that suggested a move. Can't remember now. Well, even the bigger target was 1,400, and it went 1,500. So the theory goes now, with this one, let's again be conservative. The theory goes that this is going to go up another $1,000, which if it does, will take it up in the region of its all-time high from 2021. So very interesting on that one. Other than that, I say I'm not trading too much, and a lot of it now is going to depend on NFP. So I would wait until after that and wait until Monday. Hope that helps. Catch you later.